Hi guys, in this video we'll be learning how to install the intermediate version of the drone simulators from the OneDrive link. To download the software, first visit the OneDrive link. On visiting the OneDrive link, right click to access the download option. On clicking on download, the software will start getting downloaded. Wait till the software is completely downloaded and then access the show in folder or open when done option. Go to the downloads folder and then access the zip file. If you want, copy paste it to your desktop. Once you've copy pasted the zip to your desktop, try extracting the files. Once the files are extracted, you will see a folder will get generated. Click on the folder to access the drone simulator application. Once you click on the application, you will see a pop-up window. Depending on the specifications of your device, select the settings and then click on play. Now enter the license key and then select activate. License key is activated, you will see a splash screen. Since we are working with the intermediate mode, let us select the intermediate mode. If you are creating the account for the first time, then select the sign up option. And here enter your details, create your pilot profile. Make sure you remember the pilot name and the password before finally clicking on sign up. Now let's try to sign in. To sign in, you need to enter your username and password. Your username is your pilot name. Having entered the details, then click on sign in. After signing in, you will be able to access your main menu of the intermediate mode. Here you will see different sections available in the main menu. To access the pilot profile, select on the icon. And here you will see all the information you had provided. Again in the pilot profile you will see your flight scores and then you will see your skills report. And you can also check your ranking here. You can enter your name to view your score. To sign out, you can select on the pilot profile and select the sign out button. And to exit the application, you can select the exit button.